Hopkins, Ideal Products. Today we're going to take you on a tour of our factory. We have a 50,000 square foot factory and office space here in Urupa Valley, California. It's in Riverside County in Southern California. We have a state-of-the-art beam saw, which cuts all our parts, sides, back, shelves. In this section over here is where we manufacture our custom-made benches. Rodrigo has been with the company for over 25 years and makes incredible benches. Over here, we have two CNC machines, state-of-the-art. Over here. This one's sort of hiding back here. With the CNC machines, they're cutting all the doors and more intricate parts. Everything is precise and machine operated. Then we also have our edge banding machine. Put on all of our edge banding. And another one back there. Where they clean up all the edging when it's done. And over here is our finishing section. So any of our natural wood products, all the finishing is done in these two locations. And over here is where they start putting all the components and pieces together and actually fabricating the lockers. Putting on hinges, putting together the lockers, the sides, the backs, the shelves. Hanging doors. Then they put on all the hardware as far as locks and any other extra hardware that might be needed. And you end up with the finished product.